All right, so I just watched a video by a girl called Barrelless and Free, I believe. The only video I could find on how to do this. So hence why I'm making one. She pretended to be Australian in the beginning. It was great. It was actually a pretty decent accent. So yeah, so you take these to get them off and just, oh, I don't like doing this. Just roll it back farther than it's supposed to go, she said. Oh God. And it should pop loose. Oh, and it does. Oh, these things are so freaking expensive. That was spooky. Okay, so do that. Then looks like, okay, an Allen head on that. Pop these free. All right, so let's take the other one off. Because I need this rotated the other way so that I can have the power cord in the back. And of course, oh, come on. There we go. I don't like doing this. Okay. All right. So I got that loose. And let me get some tools. All right. Allen wrench. Everything about this feels sketchy. Great stuff. Expensive stuff. They don't want to break. Oh, that's so against its will. Alright. So you gotta pop these out, look like little Legos. You got a little screwdriver tab there. These make them not want to come out at an angle, so they don't come out easy. But get those pop loose on the middle hinge. And there are, looks like 2 on that side. I'm assuming 4 Phillips. Oh, there we go. Keep working it. It will eventually come straight up. Yep. 4 Phillips screwdriver or screws there. These are 4mm. I don't know if it's my Allen wrench or just outside it is. It does not want to ball and socket wobble. It's supposed to, but that's coming out. Got a little blue Loctite on it, looks like. That one's getting just enough angle. There. So, get those out on the ends. Yep, get that out in the middle. caps. Once again, it's got a little notch. So good enough. Put that in. Screws. And it's tight, so careful, you'll throw all the screws out. Like I just did. Alright. Battery died. And I went and found the little screw after I changed the battery. Found a little wing nut, don't know what that's off of, and a little washer. Lay it there. Alright, just taking these screws out. You know, this is where I really like what the Aussies do with their flatbeds and their tray bent. I can't think what they call them. Their canopies that they do. I think that's what they call it, canopy. It's great for the overlanding stuff. The problem is, I didn't buy this truck strictly for camping and off-roading. I bought it for using as a truck. I like woodworking. I don't find the time to do it as much as I'd like, but I do enjoy it. I really enjoyed this project on this fridge slide. But those canopies, how do I get a sheet of plywood at home then, you know? I got to take it off and flatbed it, I guess. That's the only complaint I have about that. If I could do flatbed, which I really do like the flatbed part, and 2 different canopies and not cost the price of a small truck, so that you did one canopy that was more this style with maybe a single tailgate that came clear down to the flatbed, almost like a van type setup, and then did the side ones, and you made them to where they were easy to pop on and off and somehow keep mice and ants out of it when you're storing it outside. That would be ideal. Keep the tent on that, have it all set up for camping, just disconnect power to it, unbolt it, lift the whole thing up. I think they even have nice little latches, so they're not really bolting it down. It's got locks on it. And then when I'm not using that, take it off and put the truck cap on it, which is nice for, you know, if we go mountain biking or stuff like that, go to the amusement parks or whatever. It's nice having a place where I can put stuff inside and lock it up, as well as being able to go to the store and get sheets of plywood and lumber and things like that. Because this bed's just shy of 7 foot long. I don't want to buy 6 foot 2x4s because that's all that I can fit in it when I've got to load them in sideways. So figure that one out for me, Aussies. You know, RSI, you make a nice little setup, as well as 20 other companies. Somebody work that one out for me. Love to be your guinea pig. 3/4 ton Chevy. What is this? ZR2. So make a model for that. I'll test it out for you. Because here in the States, we use our pickup trucks as pickup trucks a lot more than just off-roading. If it wasn't for family, I'd probably live someplace that I off-roaded more. But family's very, very important to me.